Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa rasulillah ajma'in. Amma ba'du. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Dendy Legawa. I am semester 14th and my supervisor is Dr. Bukhari, MPD. In this video, I'm going to present my proposal entitled An Analysis of Teaching English Using Describing Picture Strategy on the Students of SMPN 1 Pangkalan Kerinci. The background of the study. In teaching the students, the teacher plays an important role in the school. Illich 1999 said the teacher in interactive teaching does not have only educational and vocational roles, but he or she has to be a designer, programmer, diagnostician, researcher, organizer, manager, innovator, educator, and advisor. With different levels of skill in each class, the teachers must use effective strategies that allow students to learn the material. Teachers must be creative in choosing materials and be able to stimulate students' interest. According to Oxford 1990, strategies can make learning easier, faster, more enjoyable, more self-directed, more effective, and more transferable to new situations. Yet, teaching English as a foreign language is not easy. In particular case of English teaching in Indonesia, both teachers and students still encounter many problems during teaching and learning English process. Teachers still have challenges and difficulties in finding strategies that are suited for the students' learning process. Teachers are not creative enough to teach the students, which makes students face many problems during teaching and learning process. By saying teachers who are not creative teach English only by giving explanation and then giving tasks, making the students feeling down, not enjoying the class, unmotivated, uninterested, and many other problems that are faced by the students. In this case of problems and difficulties faced by teachers and students in teaching and learning process, the researcher choose picture as the media for teaching strategy. For the limitation of the problems in this research, based on the problem identified above, the researchers should limit the problem. This research focused on the analysis of teaching English using describing picture strategy to the students of SMPN 1 Pangkalan Kerinci. The formulation of the problems, the first is, how does teacher teach English using describing picture strategy to the students of SMPN 1 Pangkalan Kerinci? Second is, what are the problems faced by teacher during teaching English using describing picture strategy to the students of SMPN 1 Pangkalan Kerinci? And then the next is operational concept. In order to clarify the theories that are used in this research, the researcher wants to explain about the variable of this research. This research is a descriptive qualitative, which focuses on analyzing the teacher taught English using describing picture strategy. Thus, this research only uses one variable. It is describing picture strategy. And here are some procedures of teaching English using describing picture strategy. First is, the teacher demonstrates the method of describing pictures. The teacher makes this example about the thing and describe it. Then the teachers ask the student to write about the picture. Then one of the students describing the picture. The teacher demonstrates the picture cards that had been prepared by the teacher randomly. Then students must describe the picture so well. Then The teacher asks the students to make descriptive text, then asks to practice based on the picture. The teacher asks all of students to describe their pictures in front of the class. And the last is the teacher encourages the class to be more understanding about the pictures that have been described. For the next discussion is the research method. The research design will be descriptive, qualitative. This research will be conducted on July 2021, and the location of the research is at SMPN 1 Pangkalan Kerinci. The subject of this research will be the English teacher of SMPN 1 Pangkalan Kerinci, and the object is teaching English using describing picture strategy. The participant of this research will be an English teacher of SMPN 1 Pangkalan Kerinci, one English teacher who teaches English in first year student at SMPN 1 Pangkalan Kerinci will be Miss Nini Prasetyowati. The researcher will be using observation and interview as the technique of collecting data. And then the techniques of data analysis. To analyze the data, the researcher used descriptive, qualitative to analyze the data. According to Miles and Huberman, 1996, there are 3 activities to analyze the data in descriptive qualitative research. They are data reduction, data display, and then the last is drawing conclusion. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.